Hello and welcome to this video about the extended project qualification at the John Roan School. My name's Rosie Masson and I coordinate the EPQ at the John Roan Sixth Form, and I'm going to spend the next 5 to 8 minutes talking to you about the extended project qualification and why you should consider signing up for it at the John Roan Sixth Form. So what is the extended project qualification, also known as the EPQ? Well, it's a level 3 qualification. This means it is worth half an A level and it is graded A star to E. It is also worth 28 UCAS points, so it might help you make your UCAS offers. Essentially, what the project is, it is an independent research project, which is overseen by a specialist supervisor. It's really designed to extend and develop the skills that are required during your A-level study and extend beyond those in order to prepare you for undergraduate level study. The process can be divided into 3 parts: your research, the refining of your project that takes place, and the logging of your process, which you'll do regularly throughout Year 12 and be in a position to write and create your EPQ at the start of Year 13. So the EPQ, what does it involve? Well, essentially, it involves researching a topic you're interested in and passionate about, and forming a title that allows you to investigate the topic or issue in more detail. Throughout the year, you'll receive lots of support for your EPQ. You'll be able to attend specialist skill sessions, and you'll be able to attend one-to-one meetings with your supervisor, who will help you develop your project. The skills sessions cover key skills you need for the successful completion of your EPQ. Things like how to research, how to reference, how to avoid plagiarism, and how to be a reflective writer. At the end of the process, you will present the findings of your research in an essay of either 5,000 words, or you will create an artifact with a report attached of around 1,000 words. The opportunities for an artifact are really endless. In the past, student artifacts have included a book, films, plays, a piece of art, and even scientific models and experiments. The key part holding the EPQ together is that throughout the year, you keep a record of the process of your thoughts and your decisions in a log. And at the end of your EPQ, you deliver a presentation summarising your EPQ and reflecting upon it. So how do you go about picking your EPQ topic? Well, many students decide to undertake an EPQ related to these different things here. Some students choose to do an EPQ related to what they wish to study at university. Others choose an EPQ related to their future career, their A-level subjects, or just something they're really passionate about. However, you do need to bear in mind that although you can go into an area of interest or a topic in more detail in your EPQ that might be covered at A-level, you cannot replicate content from your A-level. Okay, what does this EPQ look like? Well, a written report can have a variety of different titles depending on the topic or the focus of your EPQ. And these are some of the diverse and interesting topics and titles that students have devised in the past. Equally, students have devised interesting and engaging artifact projects for their EPQ, and you can see some examples of that on the screen. This is a visual representation of the process that you will go through throughout your EPQ. You'll start thinking about your EPQ even now in Year 11 and throughout Year 12. You'll then research your EPQ, your topic, refine your topic title, and then eventually you will create it by either producing an essay or an artifact, and then you will present on it at the end and evaluate it. So why should you do an EPQ? Well, aside from the fact that it enables you to research something in a lot of detail you're passionate about, it enables you to develop key skills that are transferable to university, employment, and your A-level studies. Skills like independent learning, research, and critical thinking. It will also give you complete independence in your learning that you might not have the opportunity to do further in your academic career. Another reason is because it will make your UCAS application stand out and excel in university interviews. It's worth a 28 UCAS points, so may help you make your UCAS offers, and universities will also make lower offers based on the EPQ. You could and you will get bespoke support and guidance throughout the process from your supervisor, and have the opportunity to present at an exhibition at the end of the process. And here is a quote from Cambridge University about what they think about the EPQ, if you're not convinced yet. They have said that they welcome the introduction of the EPQ and encourage students to undertake one, as they recognise it helps you develop independent study and research skills, easing that transition from school and college to higher education. The University of Southampton also believes that the EPQ supports students' progression to university, and also has said that the EPQ may help students perform better in undergraduate programmes. This is how your EPQ will be assessed. You'll be assessed not just on your ability to come up with a project idea, but also your ability to use a range of skills and apply that to analysing information. You will also get credit for your ability to carry out your project using appropriate skills and technology, and also your ability to review every aspect of your project when it is completed. So a few final thoughts then. Have a think about whether you're right for the EPQ. If any of these skills apply to you, then please do consider taking the EPQ. Dedication, motivation, initiative, curiosity, and communication skills are all valued skills for the extended project. And finally, here are some next steps for you. Start thinking about what your EPQ may wish to focus on between now and starting Year 12 at the John Roan Sixth Form in September. And when you apply for the John Roan Sixth Form, you'll be able to register your interest in the EPQ by emailing me on my email address. Likewise, if you have any questions, please do email me. But that's everything. Thank you for listening to this presentation about the extended project qualification, and I hope I've managed to convince you that it is a worthwhile subject to think about taking at the John Roan Sixth Form. Thank you.